A recent development, Lok Sabha has passed Immigration and Foreigners Bill 2025 yesterday to curb the issue of illegal immigrants settling in the country. While participating in the debate on Immigration and Foreigners Bill 2025, Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserted that the bill will help the country in gathering detailed information about foreigners who are visiting the country, and that the bill will also help in strengthening the internal security of India. The Union Home Minister further said that the government was ready to welcome those who wish to come to India as a tourist or for education, healthcare and business purpose, while stressing that those who pose a threat would be dealt with seriously. He added that the country is not a Dharamshala for those who pose a threat to the country. Further, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also accused Congress and Trinamool Congress for sheltering illegal immigrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar in states like Assam and West Bengal. He also raised the issue about illegal immigrants possessing fake Aadhaar cards and voter cards during the parliament session.
इसमें प्रवेश निषेध का प्रावधान है। कुछ सदस्यों ने इसका विरोध भी किया। राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा या सार्वजनिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए खतरा पाया जाएगा, उसको प्रवेश की अनुमति नहीं दी। माननीय देश धर्मशाला नहीं, जो चाहे जिस उद्देश्य से चाहे यहाँ आकर रह जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा। कानूनी तरीके से देश के अंदर अपने देश को और हमारे देश को समृद्ध करने कोई आता है तो इसका स्वागत है, मगर सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा है, उसको रोकने का प्रावधान करने का हमारी संसद का अधिकार